We're gonna have a real good time today. We're gonna cherish every moment, every step of the way. We're gonna make it our own national holiday. Hey, life is beautiful, I say life is beautiful.
Allow me to introduce myself. Usogunna, man, is who I be. I'm living the life and I'm drama free. My folks be telling me to follow your dream. That I know in this life is so precious the moment. I cherish it all with my family. Now we're in Silafia, the Aulile, Olineo Langayo. Umatato, the Angasalai, the Atoto for Tanata.
We're gonna have a real good time today. We're gonna cherish every moment, every step of the way. We're gonna make it our own national holiday. Hey, life is beautiful, I say life is beautiful.
Beautiful day today, what more can I say? Family around me, I'm glad I'm here to stay. Still here alive, thankful that I made it this far in life. Grateful every day, man.
Chew it up and tip it up and do what we do. Always do it big and copulate, thought you knew. Chopping it with the Usos at the park faded. Scoping out the popos, passing by hating.
Huwag igano na umulay ka. Upay liparu sa ambi, vela rosa. Ufili ako mo at mo uwabay liyo. Kavay ako, kikay for me, uwas mo lang.